What are these braids called? Use some mousse. Just use some mousse. Just mousse that just mousse. Just mousse and mousse and mousse till you can't mousse anymore. You left your goddess braids in the bun for too long. And now you're stuck. Now you're stuck because it's tangled and now you're frustrated. What do you do now? First, you're going to need. This is not only for the braiding hair, but for your hair itself. Some oil and water. I know it says something else, but it's water. And if you're really lazy, just use some mousse. Just use some mousse. Just mousse that. Just mousse. Just mousse and mousse and mousse till you can't mousse anymore. I want to say I don't know how I got here, but I know exactly. But I'm gonna do it anyway. This hair has to last me till March, and I'm not kidding. I'm not playing around. First, water. You need some water. To the moisturizer. If I can open it. Maybe it's time to wash it. No. Next, I'm gonna use the tea tree oil. People say this is bad. I don't care. Just find whatever works for your hair. Squirt, 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 squirt. Up again, or you can do the proper thing, which is to braid it into tiny sections and then put it in a bun. Okay, so the next time you're unraveling it, you won't be finding 5 missing hair ties that you've lost for the past 4 weeks. Here's the unfinished but slightly better product. It's more shiny, less tangly. There's definitely still some knots in there somewhere. But, you know, I think it's better now than it was before. I use like body wave hair and like loose deep wave hair. Probably why it's like this. Much better like this. It's more shiny, more flowy. I don't look homeless. Right, I put some mousse on it, which I feel like detangled it faster than putting water on it first. And I also gave it a trim. So now I'm just gonna braid it up because I'm not going anywhere today. I'm not going anywhere today. So the plan is to just put it back in the bun it was in before. Just now it's more organized because it's not gonna be tangled the next time I take it out. But if you're going somewhere, just do this in the morning, then when you're about to leave or after you do your makeup and stuff, you can take it out and it's gonna be curly, it's gonna be nice, and you're not gonna look crusty. Your hair is not gonna look messed up. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.